Today we're going to discuss the Sourcegraph MCP server integration with Cursor. Let's get started. So first, what you're going to want to do in Cursor, bring up the command palette with Command-Shift-P or Control-Shift-P if you're on Windows, and then search for and select View Open MCP Settings. And what this will do is open up Cursor's mcp.json file. We just need to add Sourcegraph's configuration snippet. So we're going to copy and paste the provided JSON object and pointing the URL to the Sourcegraph MCP server endpoint. Then all you do is save the file and then you're ready to go. So imagine needing a quick visual of a service. We can say something like create an ASCII diagram illustrating the user authentication service. What this does is the MCP server processes the request, performs the search, and generates a clear diagram from the code structure. How cool is that? All right, next, let's explore database health. So we can quickly list changes in a specific directory with the following prompt. List recent migrations found within the database schema directory. This uses file listing and history tools to surface the most relevant migration files. Maintaining consistency across a large organization is vital. So check this prompt out. Find and compare all README files that describe our specific deployment process to ensure consistency. The Sourcegraph MCP server is going to find all the relevant files, then compare their contents, highlighting any discrepancies instantly. So for quick security audits and team communication, we can search commit history across large repositories. So let's find security fixes in, for example, Kubernetes. The prompt will be find all commits that include terms, security fix, or vulnerability. And then what I want Cursor to do is make the output concise so I can copy and paste that into Slack for a coworker. Let's tackle code quality. So the following prompt demonstrates the MCP server's ability to search, filter, and organize information. Here's the prompt. Search for all to-do comments that mention refactor or cleanup. And then what I want Cursor to do is create a markdown file listing the top 5 most critical issues identified from the search. And that's the Sourcegraph MCP server with Cursor, unleashing the full power of code search for complex, multi-step queries right where you code. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It helps us determine what we should make next. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.